Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, this is the Mecmo Breakaway switch. Okay, now you can see mine is all busted here. It's all rusted inside, so I'm going to replace it with the Mecmo. And the instructions comes with it. This is the 4-foot. Now, look at the size of that cable compared to mine. Look at that. Like, that cable is way heavier than my original one that come with the trailer. Hey, just to give you an example of the spring snap hook, I'm going to measure this, and this is my old one. So that's a 3.5 OD, and this one is almost 4-inch OD. Okay, that gives you an idea how big that is. And I'll tell you what, this thing is beef. The cable's thicker, everything. Holy cow! Nice plate on the bottom. That's a really tough plastic. And okay, let's see if it works. Okay, so black wires came off the old unit, okay, and the blue wires went to the blue wires right here, okay. Now I don't know what color they are in your trailer, but mine happened to be blue out of this receptacle, and this is blue going down to and hooking into, I imagine, the brakes, okay. So we're gonna get that hooked up now, and heat tape is on and everything, and we're gonna get her on. Now the only way I know of is you got to roll your trailer ahead and then pull this pin. Okay, so I had the wife come out, she rolled it ahead, I pulled this pin out, and all the wheels locked up. Okay, now you got to make sure that that battery is fully charged, right, all the time. So you just throw that back in and it makes the connection. Okay, so yeah, you got to make sure that that battery, and your truck does not charge that battery. On this trailer, I don't know about other trailers, but that battery is a standalone battery. It does not get trickle charge from the truck. So FYI. All in all, guys, there's my review. Great product.